Let's take a look at the Our Tools page. This is where you can keep track of every tool your contractors or employees might carry with them, making those regular contractor management reports a total breeze. To get started, head down the left to the Assets page and select Our Tools. This page shows you exactly what tools you have logged, along with their type, the person and/or equipment they're connected to, their storage location, and inspection dates. Use the search bar to narrow down your list, the Add button to add a new record, and if you need to update any details, just click the pencil icon to edit. If a tool is no longer on site or a worker has moved on, the bin icon can sort that out. And to view a record, hit the eye icon to open the tools profile. It's a simple way to stay organized and keep your records spot on.